eyeZy is one of the best phone monitoring software anywhere on the planet, and I'm going to show you today why that is exactly so. For example, Instagram. You're going to be able to follow Instagram photos that your child is using, and you're going to be able to see who they're speaking with, and many, many more features. And I'm going to show you this live action of what's going on. So the monitoring app is the only thing that you're going to be able to see in a real time, and it's one of a kind. So you can see, well, what they're doing on messengers, not just Instagram, but you're going to be able to see what's with Facebook. You're going to see text messaging, live location, GPS. You're going to be able to do this anonymously. So your child's not going to be able to see if someone's actually monitoring their phone, and we're going to show you how to do that. Now, it's very fast, very easy to get set up with your phone, and we're going to go over that too. Now, so it is powered by bank-grade encryption. This keeps personal data and, well, your family's protected and secure data as well. So you can see that private stuff like text, social media chats, right? Their pictures that they're sharing, whatever they're doing. And if they're doing something wrong, you're going to get alerts for that as well, because it uses artificial intelligence to alert you, so that way you don't have to constantly monitor their activity as well. To get started, it's pretty easy. 3 easy steps to get started, right? So you're going to be able to pick your membership. They have a plan for every need. You'll create the account and choose the plan that's right for you. You'll install eyeZy on the phone, so the installer is very friendly, and all you need to do is get started. So, and if you need help, they do have a 24/7 support line that's going to help you do that as well. And then you log into your eyeZy dashboard and discover everything about the person that you care about. So you're going to dispel any doubts in your family relationships and make data-driven decisions as well. Very easy, and it is trustworthy monitoring solution. There's a lot of ratings for this as well, and there is a ton of powerful technology right into it. Keystroke captures, so this way you're going to be able to see their private text conversations. You're going to be able to see their pinpoint, so to see where they've been, what the exact location, a map using GPS tracking, and Wi-Fi network analysis as well. They have a plans breaker, so their social calendar, and know what they're up to and when the people involved with them. And it's very easy to get this going. Files finder, so you can see what's saved on their phone, pictures, videos, files, everything, downloads. And a web magnifier, so see what they're searching for on the internet. So what websites they're visiting and what they've got bookmarked and their interest. They have a connection blocker, so you can control the websites they can visit. They have magic alerts, so you can get boundaries and get notified set up for you. And then they're actually sitting and chatting, searching for something controversial and inappropriate. eyeZy lets you know that. They have a phone analyzer, so you can see who called them, how long they've actually spoke. And they have an invisible shield, so see what they're doing without being detected. And that installer is very easy. Let's take a look at it live, right? So coming here to the dashboard, very easy. On the left hand side, you can see your dashboard, the keystroke capture as well. And you're going to be able to see, for example, on the dashboard, target device activity, their browser history, GPS location, and text messages. And you're going to be able to see from the date what's going on and live action, right? So we have the most messaging contacts, or Harry, for example, 16 times. You're going to be able to see how many times they've actually called, all right? And you can see, just click here for more messages. The most calling contacts, who they spoke about the most, or who they spoke to the most. For example, Florence. Then you have Elsie as well, 2 times, 3 times for Charlotte. And then their website, which is the most visited. So you have Wikipedia here, music for everyone, Spotify, Gmail inbox 3 times. And you're going to be able to see their last locations right here. All of the locations are set up, and it gives you the date and timestamps. And you're going to be able to see that count, type premium, right, the expiration date. This is all going to be your information. Coming to text messages as well, this is that social spotlight you're going to be able to view. You're going to be able to read their text messages. It's really going to put your mind at a lot of ease to see what's going on with who they're speaking with. Are you going to be home soon? Right, hello David, this is Mr. Black. Dave, can you carry out? You get the idea, right? You have that. You can be able to check out their emails, see their emails, what date sent, right? Berkeley College Music. You can check out their WhatsApp, Kik, Viber, Tinder, Line, Snapchat, Hangout, Skype, Instagram messages, and that's what we're talking about. such as Instagram, because it's very big data sharing social media site, so you can see their pictures. This is the messages, but let's see about who they follow, right? So you're going to be able to see the names of who they follow, and you're going to be able to click on these, and you can see Lisa, and it's going to give you more information and pictures. They even have Facebook tracking as well, so you're going to be able to see the same thing as in Instagram. And the phone analyzer, you can see their contacts, who they've added, all of their contacts, the phone numbers, and even the emails that's saved inside of that contacts. As far as the phone calls, the same thing is going on here. You're going to be able to see the state if it's missed, outgoing, so telling you if you made the phone call, if they made the phone call, if they received it, if it was outgoing, did they actually speak, did they not speak, the date, how long. For example, this one from Chester was 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Right, it tells you the phone number and the date and time, so it really gives you that complete range of knowing what is happening, not just some empty shell information for you. So that way your decisions can be based just on that. You're going to have all data, so you can actually prove that, for example, right? And not just have this. But you can also see the photos as well. The photo finder, you can see the photos file saved on there. The video, you're going to be able to watch these as well. If you click on this, you can actually download the video to your data or to your computer as well if you want to do so. And you can actually see the install apps if you're downloading apps. So we have Snapchat, you have TikTok, Netflix, right? We have Spotify, Twitter, Viber, and so many more. You can check out the bookmarks here as well. You're going to be able to see the website titled, so Google Translate, BBC News, Samsung, and the URLs to click on those and visit those for yourself. You can block applications. For example, you can block these. We can just click block, all the ones if you don't agree with Snapchat, because that is also another controversial thing for some children. So you can click block for that. Block Wi-Fi, for example, so the different addresses, you can block these so they're not going back online to that. And the websites that they have, right? So Facebook.com, it's applied. We can unblock it if we would like, and so forth and so on. Magic alerts, geofencing, for example. So if they go outside of this area right here, we get a notification for that. Keyword tracking, so you can actually place in a keyword, enter keyword or phrase, add a rule, choose a feature, right? SMS, calendar, events, Skype, WhatsApp, and notify to email or don't notify. So you can kind of set all of this up, which really helps you stay on top of things. Guys, definitely try it out. I promise to you, you'll love it. And you're going to be able to see really in whole what this is about. And it's very, very cheap. It's not expensive to get started to follow this. And really, it's really hard to put a price on your loved one's safety and your peace of mind as well. So jump to eyeZy and give it a shot as soon as you can.